Hey guys, Shane here. I am super excited to share with you today a new plant that I just got in the mail. And I do believe that this is going to be a two-part unboxing because I am obsessive and I have ordered 2 plants from this person already without even seeing the condition of the first plant. But y'all are going to be super excited to see this one. The plant is from Ivy Plants online. I'll go ahead and link her, I guess, shop on the video. But basically I saw her post her plants via another plant group and her plants are incredible. I don't know how often she does the restockings, but I was on the hunt for one of these babies and just happened to stumble across it after she posted it like 15 minutes later, so I had to go ahead and get one. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this for you, show you the condition of everything, and let's pray that it came well because I need this plant to be okay. All right, let's just get into it. So this is your standard packing box here. Looks nice and crisp and clean. I know I'm using my shears. Don't come for me. Sorry about the lighting. It's about to rain here, so no matter where I sit, the lighting is garbage. Okay. I'm so excited. I got the text update that it was on my porch, and I immediately came right home from the dog park because I couldn't wait. Okay, so standard packing paper, I guess. Let's see, it's pretty secure in there. And it should just be one plant in here. Oh, that's cute. That's super cute. So it even comes with a little sticker. That was so nice. And then her Instagram, which I'll also link for you. Hopefully the plant came okay. And plant care. Bright light but can tolerate low. Well draining potting mix. Water when the top 2 inches of soil are dry. Yeah, pretty standard instructions. Got an invoice. Let's get to the good stuff though. It's really nice packaging, actually. You can tell that they're experienced with packing. You see we've got some, what is that called? Fuzzy stuff? Oh yeah, filler, that's what I meant. You guys ready? Oh, is that perlite? Come on, little baby. Come here. I'm so creepy. Oh, yeah. So guess what it is? Another elbow. Yes, because, as you know, my first elbow got mutilated by my boyfriend. And it's recovering, but the new leaf that has come out is so small that it's actually infuriating. And my second elbow, gone with the wind. I'll try to insert a picture for you just so that you can feel my pain. It is dead, it is gone. One leaf I am trying to press right now to put into a frame. The other leaf is just a leaf sitting in water. It's so depressing, no nodes. So this is our newest baby. Really beautiful, looks super healthy. I don't think it was rooted, but it looks to be in a sphagnum mixture. Actually, let me get in there. Let's see. I'll probably fast forward through this. Make sure there's no root rot going on because if this one rots, elbows will be dead to me. So the sphagnum is still very moist. Looks like a sphagnum perlite mix in there. Really interesting. I've never mixed the two for sure. Oh. Would you look at that? That's incredible. We've got roots, baby. We've got roots. This one's not rotting on me. Not today. Not today. Yeah, she actually mentioned that because she wax capped the end of both of these, but she did mention after I commented on her posts that there were roots. So that's awesome. And it looks like there is another growth point here. And this is probably going to be an aerial root, but there's two there and clearly a hidden node there. That is so awesome. That is so awesome. And it looks healthy. It doesn't look like there's any rot that's trying to come on or anything at all. But we have roots. This is like a holiday right now. It's very pretty. The node itself has a lot of variegation. Or not the node, yeah, the node itself does. So hopefully whatever comes off of this will be nice and healthy. And the leaf is beautiful. So this is Ivy Plants, and I have another plant coming that I will tag on to this video for a full review. Perfect. Also, just a heads up, I ordered this albo June 15th. And today is June 22nd, and it just got here. So not too bad at all. And the correspondence in between has been perfect. So far, I would recommend. Hey guys, I'm actually getting ready to walk out the door for work, but I noticed that my second Ivy Plants delivery did come in, so I did not want to let this wait another 12 hours to open. So I'm going to try to make this quick and show you my full review on my two plants that I got from Ivy Plants. Alright, it came in a long box here. Let's get this open. There's a dent in it, but that has nothing to do with Ivy Plants. That's definitely just USPS.
Did ship priority from, I don't know where DFW is. Oh, from Texas. Dallas, Fort Worth. Alright, got my invoice.
Another cool sticker. Instagram, which I'll link at ivyplants.shop. Care instructions. Bright light, but can tolerate low. Well draining potty mix. I think this is the same one for the other plant that I got. And my invoice, which does not have the price on it. But there's aftercare instructions. And I did actually, I messaged Ivy Plants about my albo, asking if I should keep it in the medium, the perlite and sphagnum mixture. And she did message me back and said to keep it in that for 10 days, and then I could change it over to my medium of choice. But I guess if I would have read my invoice, I would have known that. It says, allow your plant to acclimate to a new environment for 2 to 3 weeks before repotting. They offer a 10-day plant warranty after delivery, as long as the plants have not been removed from the original pot substrate. And repotting does void your warranty. If you suspect that it is unhealthy, don't remove the plant from the pot and substrate, but contact them immediately with pictures. Okay, so I ordered this on June 19th, and today is June 24th. Not too bad.
So just like the last box, packed like this here. Very nice packing. Filler paper. Filler paper. Lots of filler paper. Alright.
Feel it's in a container like my last one was. And the rest is just filler paper. There's no spillage in the box at all. It's good packing. All right. Cotton. I'm so excited for this. It seems like when I think about a plant, I just randomly go and look, and Ivy Plants has a restock, and they have what I want. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So there's plastic wrap keeping the soil in, and it is taped to the paper too, inside. Okay, here we go. My Periso Verde. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I randomly saw this plant. I didn't really know much about it, but I randomly saw it a while ago from someone else. And they said that the variegation varies amongst these. Each new leaf is kind of like a surprise each time, but I just think it's so gorgeous. It's got the same leaf shape, like a mixture of my billieti and Atabapoense. It's a philodendron, but I just love the like speckling, and I cannot wait to see what a new leaf comes like, or what the new leaf looks like anyways. There's an old tear in the leaf that was there before, but otherwise, I mean, it shipped perfectly. And I will show you the roots.
And I don't know off the top of my head the prices because it wasn't on my invoice, but I will post the prices. I'll edit the video and put them on the screen. So it looks like this one shipped in, it's not sphagnum.
I'm not sure what that is. Sorry guys, it's really in the pot. Hold on. Okay. Looks like maybe orchid bark, perlite, and a little sphagnum, I think. I think there's potting media in there too, because I can see the fertilizer beads. But we do gotta look at those roots. This might actually just be the medium that she uses. I'm not sure. And that thing is in there. I'm gonna make a mess. And I got dirt all over myself before I go to work. Roots, excellent. Excellent. Do we have any new growth points? I see some aerial roots. I don't see any new growth points per se, but I'm not sure where a new leaf would come out on this one. It's calloused off on both of these little points here. If you look at the bottom, it almost, I mean, it's like, it's callus, but it's like it's not a super hard callus. I think it's a relatively new callus. So I'll be watching that lower point, and I'll take pictures of it just in case anything were to go wrong. But all I've really heard negatively from a handful of people, they say that they're carefree more or less, but that the variegation does vary vastly between the leaves. So I'm super interested to see how this one grows. And I'm hoping that it's happy. I'm gonna put it near some of my grow lights, and since it's super tall, I'll put it on the top shelf. But this is my Philodendron Periso Verde. Awesome. Alright guys, well that is all. I just got 2 plants from Ivy Plants. I ordered them both within a couple of days of each other, and they got here super quick, packaged beautifully. There's no issues at all. You get a free sticker, you get excellent plant care tips, and really good correspondence as well. I messaged via Facebook, but I'll put everything up on the screen so that you can see, including the Instagram. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I have no complaints. My albo originally in the picture, you get whatever picture is, whatever plant is pictured on the screen. In the picture, my albo did not have any roots, and when it shipped to me, it did have roots. Yes, it was expensive. I was hurting for a new albo, but it's perfect. I mean, I couldn't ask for anything better. So if there's any changes or updates by the time that I post this video, I'll certainly tell you all about it. But for me, 10 out of 10, Ivy Plants would recommend. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and I hope you have a good day.